How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our K-Force Micro 21 TIR versus our MultiColor Linear. So for example here, I brought a blue-amber alternating color setup on my K-Force Micro 21 TIR here. Now you'll notice while the modules flash, those do not change color. And we do offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And again, for example here, I brought a blue-amber alternating unit. Now over here, I brought our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 Linear. Again in blue amber, and you'll notice your unit flashes back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. So let me go ahead and get it set on a pattern here similar to this one so you can see the difference. So you'll see I'll get to the alternating style flash pattern here, and again you'll see your modules flashing back and forth between their primary and secondary colors in your MultiColor Linear, and your TIR modules will be the color you order, as in a blue amber alternating, for example. Now another really cool feature of our MultiColor Linear units is built into the flash patterns. You have patterns in your primary or your secondary color. So let me go ahead and cycle through a pattern here. Let me get to the end of the pattern sequence. You have some Knight Rider style patterns in there, and then past these patterns you'll have your primary and secondary color patterns. So you'll see that you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color, and again this is a blue amber unit, so I'll have 4 patterns in blue. So pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then past those I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color, which again this is a blue amber unit, so my secondary color will be amber. So you'll see I'll have 4 patterns in all amber there. And then once you cycle past those, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. So you do have the ability to run your unit in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color with our multicolor unit. And our TIR models are offered in solid, half-half, or alternating color combinations. And again, you can get any of these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in those color combinations. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.